So this is the SKYLOONG GK87v3. It's a mechanical keyboard. So the company sent it to me to review this product, and this is one of their nice mechanical gaming keyboard. I saw the other version of GK87, which is the GK87 Pro, which is they have this small LCD monitor on the side. This one, it doesn't have it. But in terms of colors, I like the color palette of this keyboard. Very earth tone color. Well, in terms of build quality, I think it's surprisingly good for the price. It feels very solid and very well made for everyday use. Well, the keyboard typically comes with a double shot PBT keycaps in cherry profile. So these are very durable and comfortable when you type on. So in terms of connection, you can connect a tri-mode connectivity, and it offers very great flexibility for different uses like Bluetooth, because Bluetooth is very convenient for everyday tasks. And then they have this 2.4 gigahertz connections, which is provide a very excellent low latency performance for gaming. And then the wired options, it's give you stable connections when needed. So if you value a variety of connections options with a good performance, I think this keyboard is a solid choice. Well, the switches that they put in this keyboard are the Gateron G Pro brown switches. So these are the tactile switches. It gives more satisfying typing experience, and they are good and middle ground for those who want some feedbacks without a clicky sound. And then they can personalize the keyboard typing feel to your exact preferences. So this makes it a great choice for those who wants to experience with different switches and find their ideal typing experience. And well, I saw online and a lot of online shops there that they can buy different switches like Gateron G Pro Red or Gateron G Pro Yellow and other switches. But yeah, it depends on your preferences. I noticed that this keyboard has 3 programmable knobs, which is very unique features that can add functionalities and convenience to your workflow. Like for example, each knob can be programmed for various functions through software. So this allows you to set them up for tasks you use frequently. And then each knob also can have up to 3 different functions depending whether you press it, rotate it clockwise, or rotate it counterclockwise. So this lets you assign multiple functions to single knob, maximizing its utility. And also you can remap the knobs to perform a wide variety of actions, including media control, zoom in and zoom out, and then macro functions. So the keyboard comes with a RGB lighting, like lighting effects, color selection, brightness control, and speed and direction control. But they add additional features like reaction mode and music mode. Well, the reaction mode is where the lighting reacts to your key press or in-game actions, adding a dynamic elements to the lighting. While music mode is when the light responds to music playing on your computer, creating a more immersive experience, which is pretty cool and pretty dope in terms of this kind of keyboard. So in terms of recommendation, I think this keyboard is very strong contender for those seeking a customizable and affordable mechanical keyboard with a good wireless connectivity, and it offers also a great balance of features and value, especially for those who wants to experience with different switches and personalize their typing experience. However, if user-friendly software or premium build quality are your top priorities, you might want to consider the other options. And like I said, the best keyboard depends on your individual needs and preferences. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like this video. Please like and share this video if you have a friend who's looking for a keyboard. I'll see you again to the next video. Peace out, everybody.